Let's flex the chest. Now, thumbs up. Coming at that upper angle, all right? Chest. Don't pull with the biceps and don't pull with anything else. Let's use that chest. That's what we want. What's up, guys? Jordan Nevels back, and you'll see I'm standing in front of one of the most popular machines in every gym nationwide, and that is the cable machine, all right? So I want to show you how to use this machine to get maximal growth and stimulation out of the chest, all right? As everything, it starts with the setup. So you'll see here, I like to start at different variations, different levels, but for this particular one, which is going to be a straightforward press, I got it set on the level 6 here. Now, if you look down here, it's level 6 going out, level 6 on the way up, all right, on both sides. So the reason for that, and it's going to change based on your height and your stature, all right? So the reason for that, you want to set up the cables so that they are an extension of your arm. The cable should run through, ideally, the shoulder, all the way through the elbow, all the way through the wrist, which is going to go right through the angle of the chest, all right? So you don't want to have the cables clear up here and be doing at a weird angle that's not putting maximal stimulation on the chest. So that is the reason why you always want to adjust the angles and the arms of the cable machine to fit where your shoulder angles are, and then ultimately running across the fibers of the chest that you're trying to hit, okay? So for this one, boom, boom, we're set here because we're pushing right through here, right? So that cable should be lined up, boom, so that all the, boom, max tension is running where? Right straight through here. From there, you'll see me lower it down. I'll come at an angle where I'm here, and that's gonna come to the upper chest a little bit more, okay? So let's go through it here. We'll set up, boom, boom, step out. Now, it may take a little bit so you can figure out what level and what height you need it at. That's perfectly fine, just play around with it, okay? So I'm here, remember, shoulders back, chest is always up. Now from here, boom, 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 straight out. When I come back, boom, it's like the cables are just part of my shoulders already. They're just an extension. Remember, all about the squeeze. And now, let's go right down to the bottom angle here, which for this particular one, we're gonna set it right on number 10, all right? It's gonna stay at 6 on the outside. Now we'll grab the handle here on the setup. We're gonna stand here. So if I pull this straight up, I'm trying to get this angle here so I can get a little bit more stimulation on upper chest. Now we all know that you can't just target any certain portion of the chest, but there are exercises that can get a little bit more tension on certain areas just by the angle setup. So that's what we're going to try to do. So we're here now, let's set up. We'll grab, step out. Now, on these, we want thumb up, so we're going to angle the handle up this way a little bit, okay? It's not the most ideal setup as far as the attachment goes with this handle. They make other ones that are better. I know Prime USA has some great stuff for that, but we'll make these work, right? So, chest is up. Let's flex the chest. Now, thumbs up. Coming at that upper angle, all right? Chest. Don't pull with the biceps and don't pull with anything else. Let's use that chest. That's what we want. And so there it is right there. That's how you go through and you set up the cable angles to make it work in your favor and give you the maximal potential that you can get in muscle growth across the chest, all right? So I want you to do that, not just on this exercise, but every single exercise in the gym. Start thinking as more of an artist, because we're in here to sculpt our bodies, so we need to utilize the machines and the weights in our favor, right? So that's how you do it right there. Check it out, try it, play around with it. If you have any tips that you could add, leave them in the comment section below as well, and let me know what you think as always. Until next time, thank you, God bless you, God keep you, and I'll see you then.